Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth to your phone system in your vehicle. So you're going to want to make sure this radio is on. So it's powered up now. Then you're going to want to click on the phone button. Now it's searching for prior paired devices. So if your phone's already been connected, you should be able to hear easily. In this case, we need to add a phone. So this add here correlates to this button. So we'll hit add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So then you go to your device, make sure you have your Bluetooth on. So right there's on. Toggle between on and off. So it's off now. Now it's on. So from here, we will do sync because it's a sync prompt. And then say it's starting to pair. And then you should see it correlate to here as little time goes on.
Confirm that the pin displayed on
Password
sync
should
matches
match.
the pin displayed on your device.
Yes, that should be it. And then you're going to want to hit the yes up here, correlates to this button. That's it. You should be all set and have a phone connected to your car. I hope that was helpful to you, and hope you have a great day.
For your safety.